Hello, what's up, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Taylor, and tomorrow is the day of my graduation. And now why are we starting this video today? Well, we have some preparation things to do. So to start, I thrifted this lovely purse today, but it has an extremely long strap, and I want to bring a purse with me tomorrow to carry my camera, chargers, and all that jazz. But it has a massive strap, so we are going to do something crazy, and I'm going to attempt to seam rip this and E6000 it as a shorter length, and hopefully it'll be dry by tomorrow. I also finished decorating my cap, which this is the video you are seeing the day of my graduation that I uploaded. It's mostly voiceover, but as you can see, yeah, very cute. So I just finished that. I also thrifted these really cute heels with an interesting toe strap to wear. And I'm gonna be wearing my dress that I thrifted in my last video. Actually, 2 videos ago, because this is getting uploaded in 2 weeks' time. I'm gonna seam rip off a strap and cut it, and hopefully that this works. I'm just picking a side where like the seam's already kind of loose-ish. I've never done this before, just throwing that out there. So I don't know if it's gonna work or not, but I'm hoping it will. All right, I'm gonna continue trying to seam rip this off, and I'm gonna come back when I get it off. This was actually a little easier than I thought. So now that it's off, I'm gonna try to figure out what length I want it to be at. And also I need to make this hole a little bit bigger and lower you so you can kind of see what I'm doing. So the plan is I'm going to cut the strap, fill in this pocket with E6000, shove the strap in, and then clamp it shut overnight. I think that this is a realistic length. So I'm gonna cut it a little bit longer than I think I need. Good morning, YouTube. It is the next day. Now it is time to unveil if this worked. Please, please work. Please work. You never let me down. You helped me fix my brother-in-law's pants. Okay, it looks promising. I got it as straight as I could get it, actually, which isn't bad. Oh, yes. Yes. Oh my God, wait. And she is cuter, hold on. Wait, it's actually like, I think, a way cuter bag like this. Luckily, I have purse. I have purse. This worked out so good, oh my God. Okay, now that the purse is situated, really what I have left to do is I have to submit one last assignment today because, you know, if you were unaware, you can technically still graduate, but your final grades aren't posted until like after your graduation. And I'm taking an independent study, so one of my assignments is literally due the very last day of grades. So I'm trying to finish it before that because that is tomorrow. And I only have like, I think 5 or 6 problems left. So I'm going to try to finish those now. Probably make myself a coffee and eat something. As well as that, I still need to paint my toenails. I know, I'm slacking. And then I need to get ready. So I'm going to start and I'll be back when it's time to get ready. Hello again and welcome to my bathroom. It's been a little bit since we last talked because I got a lovely visit from Mother Nature. Now that I'm finally not dying, I am going to deal with this. I figured starting with my hair and then doing my makeup is gonna be best case scenario. I have a lot of freaking hair. Okay, this is my curling iron. It is a T3. It is actually the detachable wand one. And then I have a few other attachments that have clamps. I finally learned how to use a curling iron like this, so that's what we're gonna use today. I put heat protectant in my hair already, but we're just gonna have to get it half up. So I'm gonna basically try to do every other curl, like one towards my face, one away from my face, one towards, one away, just so it like doesn't scrunch together super easily. And hopefully this doesn't take me forever. I really hope it doesn't because it's 1 o'clock and I have to be there. I like 3 hours until I have to be like the earliest I can get there. But I do also wanna make sure that I charge my camera and get everything I need. And Mark is gonna bring me, which is good, so I don't have to go alone. I watched a tutorial and honestly I can't believe like how easy curling hair like this actually is. It just all depends on which way you put the clamp. Oh, I can't do this without looking. How's the car ride?
I'm home now, so good.
Yay! Alright, I got you. Love you.
Where are you?
In the bathroom.
Wayfair finds from Wallards to rugs to bases and more. Our go-to. Every style is welcome in the Wayfair. Visit Wayfair.
Okay. I just finished eating lunch, which I ate as much as I could. I'm like a little nervous, so I don't really think I can eat too much. But I'm gonna do my makeup now. So, did my eyebrows a little bit, and now we're gonna go through. I guess I'll do a little makeup tutorial, why not? Okay, so now we're gonna do my eyebrows. I use this concealer, don't know if they still make it, Morphe 2. I'm running out, I need to get a new one soon. And then, this is the best concealer brush I've used, like I think ever. It's the Rare Beauty concealer brush. Don't really care for Selena Gomez, but she does know how to make a good makeup brush. And I honestly really want to try the foundation brush that she does. That's like this, but bigger. But I don't really wear a lot of foundation, so for now, the concealer brush will do. Beautiful. Other eyebrow. So I can't lie, I'm a little nervous because I'm not gonna know anybody. Well, that's fine. I might know some people that are there, but like I don't really know many people on campus. So hopefully I see someone that I know. Hopefully I sit near somebody I know. If not, it'll probably be like the eclipse. I just make random friends the day of the event. I'm hoping it all goes well. Hoping that they don't pronounce my name bad, because I've been seeing a lot of TikToks lately where like some people, even though they're doing their phonetic spelling correctly, they're still getting their name overly butchered, and like I'm kind of scared because that was my experience my entire life growing up, because my last name is German, has 2 letters next to each other that have no business being next to each other, a C and a H, and they don't even make the ch sound. They make a k sound. Since I'm wearing a purplish dress, I figured I'd do like a purplish eyeshadow. And I think I'm gonna do a halo eye. I haven't done one of those in a while. If you don't know what that is, it's like when it's dark in the inner corner and outer corner, and then the center is glittery. I just really like how that looks on my eye shape. And it's been a while since I've done that, and I've been doing my makeup basically the same way since like my wedding. And I'm kind of bored of it, so we'll do something different. I'm gonna use a little bit of this brown that's in here and this brush, and I'll start probably with this transition shade first because I'm a little scared to really pack down the dark color. Go like this a little bit. This brush kind of sucks because it feels like I'm being stabbed, but it could be worse. I'm taking the darker shade now. I'm just gonna start. See, this is the thing I don't like about this, is not that it's patchy, but you gotta like build it up, and sometimes I'm impatient when it's dark. It's probably as dark as I'm gonna go, to be honest with you. I need more browns. Just trust the process. If you've never done one of these before. Just gonna blend this out a little bit and make it like less harsh, which will seem like I'm undoing a lot of what we've done, but I'm gonna layer more eyeshadow because this is like nothing. It's a start. I think I wanna try to use, I don't really care for Morphe, but I own this palette and it works. So just going in the cool tone brown, like this super dark purpley color. Like we're right in the outer and inner. Just gonna pack a lot of color on right now because we're gonna blend a lot and cover up. Because I know that this is like really dark, but I feel like I need to get it to this point in order to get the effect that I want. A little dark, a little vampier than I would like. So we're just gonna blend. Go over this a little bit with my concealer brush. I'm gonna highlight my brow, and I like kind of like bake it with eyeshadow. So I'm using this shade Juno. It's like a whitish, kind of glittery-ish shade. And I'm literally packing this on right now. Because we're gonna wipe all that, it's gonna look scary. But we'll wipe all the extra off when we're done. Don't worry, it's only scary in the beginning. Now we're gonna do our shimmer. And I think I wanted to do like a little bit of purple with like white mixed together. So let me have my concealer and a flat brush. Concealer, a flat-ish brush. It's gonna feel very 2016 right up in here. But I'm gonna just, because I have hooded eyes. All right, see? I feel like you can already like see a difference in my two eyes. So now, time to do this side. So now I'm gonna take the really scary light purple and I'm gonna put that down first. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of the dark. I don't wanna go any more colorful than this because it's very colorful. Now, I'm going to take, they don't make this anymore, Anastasia Amrezy. It's good stuff. Just hit a little bit of gold on it. And then clean finger now, going on top. Just so we don't lose a little bit of the darkness. Going back in. Now I'm just gonna wipe off my brow highlight. Kind of blend her in a little bit. I think that's pretty good. Now I just want to do like a little bit of an under eye moment. I know I have some already. I'm just taking a flatter brush. I'm gonna kind of angle this more. Kind of help with the outer corner shape a little bit because I know that this side is gonna need some help. Same thing. All right, and then just because I want to be a little bit extra. How many carats? The answer is never enough. And I'm just putting this all over my eye because it's kind of like an invisible glitter. I'm satisfied. I usually don't go this cool tone, so I'm actually happy I did something finally different. And I guess I'm gonna just quickly do my face a little bit. I'm not gonna go too crazy. I'll probably just like put concealer on and like blush. And that's probably it. So we'll do that. And then I guess I'll come back when I do my hair. Okie doke. So I finished my makeup and I finished my hair. So the only thing that's really left for me to do is to get dressed and to leave. But I'm early, so I'm going to go get a few things situated and ready, so the next time I see you, I'll be leaving and on my way to graduation. I'm gonna go charge this battery, so I have 2 full batteries for the entire thing, and I'll see you in a little bit. I think it's a little obvious I was kind of nervous to go because I knew at some point I was gonna have to leave Mark and then be by myself, and not that I don't do well by myself, I do 100% fine. It just kind of sucks seeing a bunch of people with their friends and you're literally alone, but that's aside from the point. Once we all lined up, the girl who was sitting next to me started talking to me, so all was fine. My school does not have like alphabetical order. You actually just sit down and you hand them your card before you walk across the stage, so I got pretty lucky with where I was sitting because for the Bachelor's of Arts part, I was one of the first few rows that got to walk, so I was in and out pretty quickly, thankfully. I did see also a few people that were in my major with me as well, so it was kind of nice to see them, but they were sitting with their other friends, so I was just kind of doing my own thing. I graduated! Woohoo! I did not stay for the rest of the commencement because I'm starving. So, oh, thank you. So we are going to Chili's. About to fuck shit up at Chili's. Anyways, this is probably the end of the video. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this kind of weird vlog. I am now 1 degree smarter, yet again. And I can't wait to make it another one. Goodbye, YouTube.